How to fix something not working on Signal application. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix something not working on your Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application and click on those 3 points up there. Now click on setting, scroll down and click on help. Now click on contact us and click on please select an option. Click on something not working and click on tell us what is going on, and now you can tell them the thing, like for example search is not working or photos not working or something like this, and click on next, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.